Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So which relay you need to check, guys? We're going to demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. The main engine management fuse box, okay, is actually right under the hood. You can see right here. Above the radiator, when you open that cover, you have the fuse layout that will look just like this one right here, guys. You can see that's the fuse box here. Now let's quickly explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The relay that we'll need to check specifically for the starter, it's a single relay, and those relays, guys, as you can see, they can be they're the Ford Motor Company, they can be really expensive at the parts store and sometimes really hard to find if you're on the road. So we decided to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, and always keep some spares in the vehicle just in case you need them. The relay that we will need to check now will be, if you come from the left side in that row, 1, 2, that second relay right here will be the one for the engine starter. Check this relay, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.